Hello everybody, this is George Ponder for WPCentral.com. Got a review for you today. This go around taking a look at the Windows Phone game Azkend 2. Now Azkend 2 is from 10 Tons developers. Same developers that brought us King Oddball, Sparkle, and Tennis to the Face. It's a challenging puzzle game where you're trying to match 3 or more of the same type object on the game board. Main menu, you've got your challenges, your main adventure mode, and then the More section, which covers everything from player profiles, where you can create another player profile so you can let a friend try the game out without messing up your game progress. Got game options, sound, music levels, voiceovers, tutorials on and off, and then your graphics detail levels. Again, challenge modes, you've got 2 of them, a time challenge and a medal challenge. Time challenge is simply trying to get the highest score before the timer hits 0. The medal challenge, you're working the puzzles to earn medals. It's a multi-level challenge type game. We'll take a look at that in a little bit more detail here in a second. Your adventure mode, it's basically the storyline where you get sucked into the middle of the earth and you're trying to escape. You've got to solve these puzzles to collect pieces of equipment that'll help dig your way out of back to the surface. Gameplay fairly the same across the board. Take a look at medals real quick. Here's your game board. You've got your different type objects that you have to match. And the puzzles are 2-part. The first part, you have to clear the puzzle or flip all the tiles to a different color, or there's some sort of task that you have to accomplish. And once you accomplish that task, in this case, this medal will be put into play, and you've got to work the medal to the bottom of the puzzle. In this case, I've got fog covering some of my squares. I've got to clear that fog before the medal comes into play. I've got a timer. I've got little Tesla coils that'll charge as you solve the puzzle and wipe out some of these squares. You just drag your finger across the different symbols to connect them. They're taken out of play and everything moves down and is refreshed. To clear these fog areas, I've got to create matches adjacent to the foggy squares. As you see, the Tesla coils have charged and has discharged. Now that I've cleared everything, the medal comes into play, and it's just an issue of working it down to the bottom of the screen. And it can be a little challenging. There we go. And again, you have to do all this before the timer hits 0. All in all, Azkend 2, it's a nicely animated, challenging game for your Windows Phone. There is a trial version available. Full version runs you $3.99. It's all over at the Windows Phone Store, and as always, we'll have the Windows Phone Store links in the post. Thanks for watching.